Hey everyone, Austin here from Windows Fixer, and once again, Microsoft's cooking us, and we don't even know what we did wrong. So here's what's going on. Microsoft just pushed out KB5066835 for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2, and this update is seriously buggy. It completely breaks your USB mouse and keyboard inside the Windows recovery environment, also known as WinRE. That means if you ever need to repair your PC, reset Windows, or access Advanced Startup, guess what? You'll be stuck there with no input at all. You literally can't click, type, or even choose a restore option. Now, in normal desktop use, everything seems fine. But inside recovery mode, your mouse and keyboard just stop responding. Microsoft has officially confirmed this issue and said they're investigating, but right now there's no official fix. And that's not even the whole story. Many users are also reporting slow performance after this update. Apps taking longer to open, random lags, or UI freezing. For me personally, everything's running okay, but as someone who's active across tech forums and Windows groups, I can tell you these reports are absolutely real. It's happening to a lot of users worldwide. So let's talk about what you can do right now. If you're still on Windows 11 24H2, you can actually uninstall KB5066835 to fix the issue. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, scroll to Quality Updates, and confirm it's there. If it shows up under Uninstall Updates, great, remove it from there. If not, open Command Prompt as administrator and run this command: wusa/uninstall/kb:50666835. Hit enter, confirm the uninstall, and then restart your PC. This should remove the update and restore normal recovery functionality. But here's where things get tricky. If you're on the latest Windows 11 25H2 build 26200.6899, like I am, this update is actually baked directly into the OS image. That's why you won't see it under uninstall updates, and even the dism or wusa command won't find anything. Microsoft's using what they call servicing enablement technology, meaning some cumulative updates like KB5066835 are merged into the build itself instead of being added as a removable patch. So yeah, at that point, you can't uninstall it at all, unless you roll back your build or reinstall using an earlier ISO, like 26100. If you're in the same boat, just make a full backup, pause updates, and wait for Microsoft's next cumulative patch to fix it. Also, one important note: uninstalling or blocking this update means skipping some security fixes, so your system might stay a little vulnerable. It's a temporary workaround until Microsoft releases a stable patch. So after you uninstall, or if you can't, head back into Settings, Windows Update, and toggle off the Get the latest updates as soon as they're available option. That'll prevent Windows from reinstalling this update automatically. Honestly, this is getting disappointing. First, they caused SSD degradation, now mouse and keyboard failures in recovery mode. At this rate, I don't even know what they're testing anymore. Anyway, stay safe, keep a full backup of your data, and pause your updates until the next fix rolls out. I'll keep monitoring this and let you know the moment Microsoft drops a proper patch. Thanks for watching. This is Austin from Windows Fixer, signing off.